If anybody on the Facebook wants their cowries to be read, you can put the message to me and I will convey it to Binaifa. It's an opportunity, guys.
Okay, so you are on the right path, but you're not doing much to move ahead in it because your path is spirituality, and that involves that you see things at a different perspective. You see things differently than how you're seeing them now. So once you can accept that things are different and not how they appear to be to you, then definitely you are on the right path. So go ahead with that. Thank you.
Wonderful. We have Sim N. She wants the reading to be done too. So just do a general reading for her.
Seema.
It just says Sim N. SIMN. Can you show us? Can you just say hi? It's written in the chat.
Hello.
Hi, Grin.
Hi. I'm Simonil. So
Simonil.
I just wanted a general reading, please.
Sure.
Wonderful.
So, Simonel, things are showing up for you where, as far as your family is concerned, you are too involved with them right now, and you want a lot of resolution there, which is showing. You need to listen to somebody who's trying to give you the right advice, and somehow you're not able to accept or believe that they can be of any help to you. So please be open to that, because somebody is trying to help you. So please take their help. And you're getting a lot of messages as to how to deal with your family, how to avoid certain things, let go of some things which are not too, petty things. Just let go of a lot of petty things as far as family is concerned, and things will be much better for you in that way. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Wonderful. We have Babil Tulsi asking question that when she's parenting, should she interfere in her daughter's life, or should she allow her daughter to make the decisions that her daughter wants to make?
Here it all really depends on the age of your child and the intensity of that situation.
Okay.
Right. Actually, I totally agree with her. So what age is your child?
Bubbly, what age is your child? She's 38, married.
Then isn't it, I would definitely ask the question for you, but I just feel that you should let her take her own decisions. Just give me a minute.
A lot of people asking for reading. Harsha, Neha, Subodh, Darpana, Nisha.
So what I am getting for you is no, that you should not interfere in her life. But yes, if it is a matter of her marriage, where her marriage is on the verge of breaking, and if you have some advice that would keep the marriage together and you know that it's worth it, then yes. But otherwise no. Thank you.
Wonderful. We will go next with Harsha, general reading. Vinaifa, you're in demand.
Harsha, are you facing a lot of blocks and nothing working out for you right now?
Harsha, could you unmute yourself, please? And
Yeah.
yeah.
Blocks in what sense, Vinaifa?
I'm getting in every way right now. Whatever you're trying to do maybe is not working out, or you're just feeling a bit frustrated with a lot of things.
Oh, yes.
Yeah,
Definitely, yes.
because you've picked up some negative energies which I'm seeing around you, and you need to cleanse them. So whatever, if you are a practitioner of any healing modality, then I guess you need to just start cleansing yourself.
Wonderful. We go to the
Because
next.
there's a lot of blocks around you.
We go to the next person, Neha Sharma, general reading.
Vinaifa, your voice is trailing, Vinaifa. No, I couldn't hear Vinaifa at all. Your voice was
Neha,
trailing.
you need to cleanse yourself, you need to cleanse your aura and energies. So if you are a practitioner of any modality, you need to use that to cleanse yourself and do a lot of healing for yourself.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much. Thank you,
Because, yeah,
Vinaifa.
most welcome.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Can we do reading for Mamta? Mamta, Meher, Manisha. There's so many people who are wanting general reading.
Anu, before we go further, may I take your leave? My husband needs the computer now.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Vinaifa, very, very much. Thank you.
Thank you, well. I'm so
Thank
happy
you.
to meet you today. Thank
Thank
you.
Bye.
Bye.
Yes.
Okay, so for you, I have got that right now you're not been able to focus on anything much. So your attention is in 10 different directions. So what you need to do is try and focus on any one thing. What do you actually need to do? So right now, maybe your focus is with your family, but you're not able to do justice to them as well. So just try and go with the flow and accept the situation that you're in right now. And once you do, things will start moving ahead, and try to be and it will become more clearer for you as to what situation you're actually in. So basically, I think you just need to find a little more focus in life right now. Thank you.
Wonderful. We have Neha, we have already done our reading. Amita. We've never done so many readings together, have we?
Yeah. Never.
Never. Okay.
So Amita, for you, I'm getting a lot of karmic clearing is happening, a lot of cleansing is happening your way. And the more you accept your family for who they are and what they are, the easier it is for you to go through life in a happier and more prosperous way. You need to change the way you look at things. You need to change your perspective a bit about quite a few people. And once you do that, things are going to be much more smoother ahead for you. Thank you.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
We have Darpana. Darpana Bajaj.
Darpana, you are feeling, I guess, very stifled at home, not able to do as you wish, and a lot of frustration. So the only thing that's going to set you free is by keeping your mind occupied with positive things. Maybe listen to whatever you like to listen to, maybe some meditation music, or even a rock music if you like to listen to. You need to be comfortable with whatever you're listening to, and just try and listen to somebody who's giving you good advice. try and do a lot of energy work if possible. If you don't do it yourself, maybe get a healing done from somebody, and you will start feeling better automatically. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate Benaifa. A few more people, and I would
Yes.
really like you to read for Dr. Kwesi also. At
Yes.
the Manisha Shah. Manisha Shah. I don't see Meher here, but Meher has asked for a reading. Meher, are you there?
Manisha, for you also, I'm getting it's so difficult for you to ask for help. You just block yourself out from taking help. So please don't do that, because at this time it's really important to ask for help. Take the help that you're getting, because it's just going to be easier for you, even physically and even emotionally. It's going to be really good for you. So one main thing is that asking for help. Second thing is try and be happy. You have a lot of things with you, maybe materialistic things, but your inner happiness is not showing. You need to be happy internally. You need to value yourself more than anything else. So do that and things will be smoother ahead. Thank you.
I think Anu Sharma. Anu Sharma, are you there? I don't see her here. Meher, are you there? Meher, are you there? Anu Sharma, are you there? No. Okay.
Okay, I think Anu Sharma has written yes.
Okay, so let's just do for Anu Sharma.
Okay. Anu, for you, I'm getting a lot of karmic clearance happening, a lot of positivity coming your way. So, whatever work you're doing, if you're doing some spiritual work, if you're doing some healing work or chanting some mantras, please do that, because that is going to really take you to the next level, and it's going to give you a happier and more peaceful life than you have right now. Thank you.
I think we missed out on Subodh. Really in demand today, Vinaifa.
Thank you. Subodh, 1 minute. Are you there, Subodh?
Yeah, she's there. She's again and again.
Yeah, I'm there. I'm waiting. Thank you.
Okay, okay.
Subodh, then Tejinder, and then Dr. Kwesi. And
Okay, so Subodh, for you, I am getting whatever issues are there, financial issues, they are moving away from you right now, and it's a time for prosperity is showing. But that will happen only if you are focused on the positive. So try and be as positive as possible, even though it's tough. I can see that things are really not that easy for you right now, but you need to focus on the positive. You need to do a lot of protection for yourself. You need to do whatever chanting that you can, or any healing modality that you know. Please practice it a lot, because you really need to come on track as far as a lot of things are concerned. You're not very focused right now on what you want to do or what is going to happen, but to get back on track, you need that chanting. You need that high frequency in you. So please go ahead and do that. Thank you.
Benaifa, I had asked for my son's wedding, which is fixed for 29 November.
Okay.
My question was that during this Corona time, because destination wedding, I just wanted to find out if it will take place where the destination is.
Okay. Give me a minute.
So we have Swati Srivastava who also wants a reading.
Yeah. See, it's possible, but maybe not with the amount of people that you are expecting.
But it will take place.
Yes.
Oh,
As
thank you.
of
Thank
now,
you so much.
most
Wonderful. Tejinder, have we done for her? Tejinder?
no.
No, Anu, I'm waiting.
Okay,
Okay.
Tejinder.
Thank you.
Do you have a question, or please may I go ahead with the general?
General reading will be good, Binayfa.
Okay.
So, Tejinder, are you feeling a little low on energy these days?
Yes.
Okay, so you have picked up some negativity from someone, or maybe just people around you, or you've just absorbed a lot of thoughts. Maybe you're watching too much news, or absorbing the negativity. So you need a lot of cleansing. Please go ahead and cleanse yourself, and stay away from negative news, and just try and do something that's going to keep you happy, keep you positive throughout the day. And that's the only way that's going to bring up your vibrations. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Binayfa.
Can we next read for Dr. Kwesi and then go for another 3 people are there in line? So, Dr. Kwesi, do you have any question? Dr. Kwesi, do you have any question?
Is he there?
I think so. I can see him online. So, Dr. Kwesi, do you have any question? Let's go to the next person and then come back to him.
Okay.
We have Swati Srivastava.
Swati,
Hi.
are you there?
Yeah, I'm there.
So I'll do a general reading for you.
Yeah.
We're having a session on auto writing on the 5th of this month. So do join us.
So Swati, for you, I'm getting, please start asking for help. You don't need to carry the weight of the world on your shoulders. And you're getting a lot of messages, a lot of intuition about what to do, how to go about things. But somewhere you're still holding back. So please go ahead, ask for help, because asking for help and following your intuition is going to really open up a lot of things for you. And it's going to make life easier for you. So yeah, just go ahead. Thank you.
This is so true. Asking help from masters or like people?
From both.
Okay, thank you so much. This is so resonates with me.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Dr. Hema.
Dr. Hema, general reading.
Specifically ask career in marriage.
Career and marriage. Can we just ask,
choose any one, please?
We're doing only one question per person, guys.
Okay, we'll choose for my marriage.
Thank you.
You want to know about when you'll get married or how your marriage is going, please?
Yeah, when will I get married?
Okay. Okay, so I'm getting in around 8 months from now, you will get somebody who you're going to get married to. Or if you already have somebody in your life, then 8 months from now, it will get fixed with the same person.
Miss Bubbly, we are doing only one person, one reading.
Yeah, one question, please.
Okay, thank you so much.
Welcome.
You can
I
always.
just want to ask my son, he has gone to America for his master's, but now he's not ready to come back and get married. But my husband, always insisted on it and putting pressure on me. So I am very lonely here. So I just want to know, will he come back and settle in India and get married soon?
See, that's asking 3 questions because you want to know if he'll come back or not and then again get married and settle.
Yeah, do just one question. Will he come back and settle in India? Just one question.
This is the last question that we are taking. And then Dr. Kwesi, are you there?
Right now, it's tough that he'll come back to India. Maybe it'll take a year or so. But right now, there's no chance of him coming back.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Let's do for Dr. Kwesi.
Yes.
Yes, hello, Dr. Anu. Hello.
Hello, Dr. Kwesi. Any question?
Yes, I've got a question. I've got a situation in the clinic with a patient today who occurs to be a violent man, and the situation might escalate. So I want to know what's going to be the outcome of the situation.
Dr. Kwesi, you'll just give me his name.
Oh, I don't know his name.
Okay, so what is the situation exactly?
Well, the man insulted the clinic and the staff. And he comes from an ethnic group which are known that they have got some violent character traits. And so the question is he going to retaliate or is he just going to stay away from the clinic?
Okay.
Thank you, everybody, for being here.
Hello, what?
No, I'm just giving thank you to, there are a lot of people who are leaving the forum, so I'm just saying thank you to them. Okay. Anybody on the Facebook has a question, you can write it down in the chat box and I can ask.
Dr. Kwesi, doesn't seem like he'll retaliate, but you just need to focus on the fact that he's not going to come and just block him out and cut him out, cut your cords with him, and that will work beautifully well to keep him away.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Kwesi.
Thank you, Dr. Kwesi. Thank you, Binaifa. Let's do a general reading for the whole group right now. And I've taken a deep gratitude to you today.
No problem.
Come back again. And that's very, very important because people really had a demand for you. And there were so many writing and I didn't want to disappoint any one of them. And it's nice. It's nice that you can give that much of healing to so many.
Yes, definitely. It's my pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you.
Just give me a minute. Okay, so for the whole group, I've got that there's going to be a wonderful spiritual journey for all of us. Family life is going to be much, much better than what it is. And because of our turn towards spirituality and increasing our vibrations, a lot of karmic issues that were there connected to us are slowly getting dissolved and moving away from us. So a lot of clearing is happening.
Wonderful. There was a question around cyclone of Mumbai that's going to hit Mumbai after 129 years. Do you have anything that Saudis can say about the cyclone? And
let me check.
Yeah. How to attend 5th June session? We can send you the invite. You can go and join my group. I will be putting on the Facebook. We'll be sending invites to everybody. So Swati, you can join us. Send me your number. I will add you into my group. Take down my number, 99308 98116. I'll just put it for everyone. Yes, anything around cyclone.
Yeah, so I asked that will Mumbai be affected by it? So it's not going to be affected that much, but we need to ask for protection from our guides, from our masters, and we need to do a lot of chanting, whatever we do, and send a lot of love to Mother Earth and to the sea goddess, and to the water goddess. So water is showing in the path of karma and of wisdom. So how have we used our wisdom to help water or to preserve water? So we may not have done much on an individual scale, but now we can do it on a spiritual scale by just praying to her and just asking for her forgiveness for polluting her throughout the years, and just keep to asking her to bless us and keep us safe. That's what we can do.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for those insights. And all of you, please do the prayers so that we can keep our Mother Earth safe and in a very, very happy